Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, and we have another edition of The Story Behind the Car. This is a teaser video. I met Tim yesterday. I'm in Springfield, Illinois for the Route 66 Festival. However, we're staying in the Crown Plaza Hotel, and I met Tim. And this is one of his fleet. He has a Lincoln fetish or a problem. This is a 1961 Lincoln Continental convertible, and we'll possibly do a video on this, a full length. They have a car show today, and I'm going to be in the downtown area, but I was just talking to Tim, and they're getting their cars ready, so I thought I would take a moment and shoot a video of his 4 vehicles that he has out. It rained all day yesterday, so they were fighting the weather. So this is another one of his Lincolns, and I'm going to be discriminating. That is not really what I'm here for. I want to show these two. So this one here is another 61. This is a hardtop, and the engine is running, so I want to get closer, but it sounds just amazing. And oh my, what a beautiful vehicle. I'm going to back up. This is another one of Tim's vehicles. This is a 1964. And believe it or not, this vehicle has 2,600 original miles on it. And just an amazing, amazing vehicle. All original. The tires, he has the original tires. They are not on it now. He was telling me yesterday that he has the original tires in storage. But they're prepping the vehicle for the show today. And I just wanted to take a moment and show them prepping the vehicles, but also just show the beauty of these fine automobiles. And to me, this is a definition of an automobile. So thanks again for watching. And hopefully I'm able to do full-length videos on these, or a couple of these, later on today. And we'll finish where we started with the 1961 convertible. Thanks again. Leave a comment, question below. We'll catch you on the next video.